Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get on top of the Motor Nebula Arena on Ratchet and Clank 2. So this is the place where you leave the arena, and it's actually pretty simple. It doesn't require much. Just pick up your many decoys, and you're gonna do a thing that most speedrunners do, which is charge boot, throw decoy, and then double jump, and then start range climbing. That's basically what you're gonna do, and this is scaring me because it's going up and down. Okay, let's go. And then you're gonna have to keep wrench climbing. No! Wait. Better use first person mode. And then just keep pressing square to wrench climb. But don't move, just press square. Because if you move, otherwise if you move, you will, like, go down, and that's not good. There's gonna be a point where you'll have to move forward, which is now. And now it's safe. Although, wait a second. I'm gonna use this decoy, see if it's safe to walk upwards. Okay, don't go there then. Nor there. Wait, let's explore this arena real quick. Would you look at that? Wait, I think that something here is solid. Nope. Never mind. This is supposed to be the arena, I think. But you will fall down. But it's actually a bit useful because with this, let me show you real quick again. You can kind of skip the trespasser sections, which is great and useful. And that's precisely what I'm going to show you. So you just let this platform go. Just charge boot all the way there. And try to land somewhere. Better land somewhere, of course. And I can just charge boot over here. And it's pretty cool, I guess. And that was it, I think. Don't think there's anything else to show you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, stay fresh. Because it's summer, you know, so better keep fresh, otherwise you will overheat.